worst case scenario, you will pay 45% income tax in Germany plus 2.5% solidarity tax plus 4% church tax. That's 51.5% you have to give away in taxes from your hard-earned income. And let's not even talk about social security payments here. Or that you have to pay another 19% in value-added tax if you want to buy anything with what's left from your net income. The good news is, you can get a lot of the taxes you paid back. With an average German salary, you can save easily 3,000 or 4,000 euro every year. You just have to utilize our 5 quick tips to reduce your tax rate and increase your net income that we tell you in this episode of the PerFinEx FAQ. The best way to pay less taxes is to get completely tax-free income, right? So ask your employer if they pay capital forming benefits, that's VWL or vermögenswirksame Leistungen in German. Your employer can give you up to 40 euros every month, and if they do, these 40 euros will be paid out net to you. No taxes and no social security payments deducted. What can you do with these 40 euros? Your employer might have some restrictions, but if they don't, you can get a Bausparvertrag, which you probably want to avoid, but check out these videos if you're interested. You can start an investment savings plan with your 40 euro and invest that money in ETFs and mutual funds. Or you start saving for retirement with a company pension. Here you might even get a 15% match on your 40 euro, depending on which type of company pension your employer offers. And last option for your capital forming benefits, if you bought a house, your employer can pay the 40 euros directly to the bank that you have your mortgage with. Might not work with every bank, but this option exists, so ask your bank if they allow it. Option 2 is also completely tax-free. You didn't think Germany offers that many ways of making tax-free income, did you? Instead of 40 euro capital forming benefits, you can get up to 44 euros in non-cash benefits. Sachzuwendungen in German. Free of tax and social security, of course. Your employer can give you vouchers for food, gas, Amazon, whatever. Or courses that promote your health, like a gym membership, massages, yoga courses, or childcare. Since that can be pretty expensive, the 44 euros from your employer might come in really handy here, huh? Attention though, non-cash benefits work only if you don't get real cash from your employer. If you get the 44 euros in vouchers, fine. If you get the 44 euros in cash, not fine, and you have to pay taxes and social security on that 44 euros. And if it's 44 euros and 1 cent per month, even in vouchers, the entire amount is subject to tax and social security as well. So pay close attention. And now we have to optimize your payslip, because that was it with the tax-free income. There's 2 things you can do. First, you can optimize your health insurance. If you are in the public health insurance and want to stay in the public health insurance, then you will pay 14.6% of your gross salary as base contribution. On top of that 14.6%, you also have to pay the additional contribution that every health insurance can determine themselves. As of shooting this video, the lowest additional contribution for public health insurances in Germany is 0.4%. and the highest is 2.5%. So in public you pay anything from 15% to 17.1% for basically the same coverage. If you switch from an expensive public health insurance to a cheap public health insurance, you can save 2.1% of your gross salary. Or if you're self-employed or earn above the threshold of 64,350 euros in gross salary in 2022, you have the freedom to exit the public health insurance and join the private health insurance. Here you can save a lot more than just 2.1%, depending on which private health insurance plan you're choosing. Because in private, you have all the freedom to choose the exact coverage you'd like to have. If we can help you find the best private health insurance in Germany, feel free to book a free meeting with us on our website, perfinex.de. You save 2.1% gross salary if you switch to a cheaper public health insurance. You can save 4% gross salary if you leave the church. That's tip number 4. Now, I don't want to go into a religious discussion here, everybody can do whatever they want, but if you would like to pay less taxes and increase your net income, leaving the church is a quick and easy way to do that. How do you do it? Just go to your local city hall, Bürgeramt or Standesamt in German, fill out a form, of course, because we're still in Germany here. Pay anything from a 10 euro to a 35 euros in fees, and ta-da! Starting next month, you increase your net income by 4%. And the biggest way to reduce your tax rate in Germany, file a tax declaration. I know it's annoying and I know it takes a little bit of time, but 9 out of 10 people that filed a tax declaration here in Germany get on average 1,051 euro from Finanzamt. That is like the highest hourly salary you will ever have, even if you spend an hour or 2 on it. And with our videos we published for Taxfix, Steuergo and Wundertax, the 3 software providers that allow you to file your tax declaration in English, you will create your tax declaration in no time. So check out the videos and our affiliate links that will also save you a couple of euros for either of the 3 tax software providers. Now you know how you can save easily 3,000 or 4,000 euros every single year with our 5 quick tax saving tips. See you in the next video. Take care, guys.